In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Wix Studio. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio editor so you can work directly on the page where you want to make changes. Once you are inside the editor, the first thing you need to do is select the text you want to edit. If your page already has text on it, simply double-click any existing text element to highlight the text and make it ready for editing. If you don't have any text there yet, go to the left panel and click Add Elements, which is the plus icon. From there, select Text, then drag either a title or a paragraph onto your canvas, depending on what kind of content you want to add. After your text element is selected, click the Edit Text button. This opens the formatting options and gives you control over how the text looks. From here, move over to the Design section in the Inspector panel on the right side. This is where you can customize the appearance of your text in a clean and organized way. Start by changing the font if you want a different style or tone for your content. Then adjust the font size so the text is easy to read and fits well within your layout. You can also update the text alignment to position the content the way you want, whether that's left aligned, centered, or another option that works best for your design. Next, tune the spacing. Use the toolbar to adjust character spacing if the letters feel too close together or too far apart. You can also change the line spacing to make multiple lines of text feel more open and readable. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished your design looks. If you want to give the text a little more visual depth, go to the Shadows section and add a shadow effect. This can help your text stand out more clearly, especially if it's placed over an image or a more detailed background. After that, adjust the responsive behavior of the text. Since Wix Studio is built for responsive design, this step is important for making sure your text looks good across different screen sizes. In the Inspector panel on the right, you'll see a few options. Scale proportionally, or auto, is the default setting and automatically resizes your text across breakpoints. Hug makes the text box shrink or expand to fit the content exactly. Fix keeps the text at an exact pixel size no matter the screen size. Choose the option that best matches how you want your text to behave. Once everything looks the way you want, click Publish to make your changes live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.